OneNote Class Notebook and Microsoft Teams, two's company. At Microsoft Education, we're strong believers in two's company. That means that sometimes our tools pair up to support your classroom. OneNote Class Notebook within Teams is one of those dynamic duos. So you have Teams, where you and your students communicate in conversations. OneNote Class Notebook acts like a digital classroom binder, giving you a place to organize course content and providing every student a private place to take notes. The Class Notebook tab is automatically added to your class team and lives in the General channel. You can start the setup process and be guided through a few steps to create a notebook for every student in this class. But for now, let's look at a class notebook that's already been made. As we dive in, remember that Class Notebook is organized left to right. These are sections. Sections in Class Notebook are just like dividers in a 3-ring binder. As we click through different sections, you'll see pages nested under them. The sections that automatically come with your Class Notebook are the collaboration space, where students can organize and create content together. As students work in this space, they may have questions or need to discuss a project. This they can easily do in a channel conversation. As a teacher, you can oversee work in the collaboration space and then provide support in channel conversations or private chats. Another section is the content library, where you can post important resources, handouts, and more for students to reference. All materials in this section are read-only and students can't edit them. Then, here are the private student notebooks. These are automatically created for each student in your class team. Only you and the individual student can see them. Students can use these personal notebooks to take notes, work on homework, and store research. It's a home base and prep space where they can develop their own work and keep thoughts organized. Plus, you can check in and provide guidance using one-on-one chat to answer questions or give feedback. This teacher has also chosen to add a teacher-only section. A little slice of solitude for planning lessons, developing content not quite ready for students, or anything else reserved for teacher eyes only. Need to manage your class notebook? Just select the Class Notebook tab in the ribbon to access it and make changes. Private work, collaboration, engaged conversations. Already your classroom currencies, now they've brought Class Notebook and Teams together. To study up on all things Microsoft Teams for Education, check out support.office.com/education.